Hi, my name is Anna and I'm a pelvic floor physio with Nose Creek Physiotherapy, and I wanted to chat with you today about urge urinary incontinence. So this is a type of incontinence that presents with a very strong urge to go to the bathroom with some leakage, typically while you're getting up and moving on the way to the bathroom. Oftentimes this urge can happen even if there's not much in your bladder. So, you went an hour ago, you've had maybe half a cup of water, there's not much in there, but you feel like you desperately need to go and you can't hold it in while you're trying to get to the bathroom. So what do we do for treating urge urinary incontinence with physiotherapy? First, we take a look and see, is the pelvic floor too tight? If so, we stretch and relax it so that it can relax and not constantly be so tight all the time. If it's too weak, then we strengthen it, not just with Kegels. We do all sorts of different exercises in different positions to make sure that the pelvic floor is integrated into the rest of the body. It's also important to look at behavior modifications. One of the first things we'll do is a bladder diary where you write down the type of things you're drinking, how much you're drinking, how frequently you're going to the bathroom, and the volume of urine when you do go to the bathroom. And this can help us to see if there's any correlation between what you're drinking and when you're experiencing that incontinence. Because a lot of the times, certain things that you eat or drink can be irritating to the bladder and cause some of that urge. So what can you do today to start helping yourself if you're experiencing that really strong urge? The first thing is going to be a behavior modification, which is just to stop going just in case. This is something that a lot of us do. You're going on a long car trip, you haven't been in an hour, okay, I'll go before I leave just in case. It's okay to do this on occasion. The problem is when this becomes something habitual, where every time you leave the house, you're afraid that you're gonna go out, that you're gonna have leaking, so you empty your bladder beforehand. Over time, what this does is train the brain and the bladder to empty at a certain volume of urine, and that volume of urine usually is not very much. So as soon as your bladder fills up just a little bit, your brain says, oh, we gotta go right now. So avoiding setting up that kind of negative feedback loop is one of the most important things for treating that strong urge.